you're very welcome to eat at Comerford's here in Doonbeg for the kitchen sessions live on Clare FM.
She sits there on a bar stool with a teardrop in her eye. Then I sit down beside her, wipe her cheek, and I ask her why. Then I order her more whiskey, as her story she did tell, how her grandma became a lap dancer at the Donald Trump Hotel. Grandma didn't have a penny when dear old Grandpa died, so she had to figure out to make some money on the side. So she changed her name from Sarah Jane to Peaches Tinkerbell, and she started dancing tables at the Donald Trump Hotel. Oh well, she drives the men all crazy, as on their knees she sits, as she purrs and tickles gently on their noses with her mitts. She might be pushing 60, but she's still got them in her spell. Yes, my grandma, she's a lap dancer. Where? At the Donald Trump Hotel. Yes, my grandma, she's a lap dancer. Where? At the Donald Trump Hotel.
And what brought you up to West Clare?
I fell in love with my feet.
I'm beginning to fall in love with him a little bit myself.
You're the place of my roots. where I wore football boots, ran cross country and pulled tug-of-war. In that Gaelic field, where no one came to yield, whether they be from near or afar. So I hope that someday I will go back to stay and build the place that I love, if only to greet all the old friends I'd meet at the chapel, the shop and the pub.
As we gather in the chapel here in old Kilmainham jail, I think about these last few weeks. Oh, will they say we failed? From our school days they have told us we must yearn for liberty. Yet all I ask in this dark hour is to have you here with me. Oh, grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love when we must say goodbye.